Good afternoon, geometry guys. It's Mr. Jeffries coming to you from 6th period. So if you hear louder voices than normal, that's your kid. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. All right, so practice work from our lesson from yesterday. All right, this is an isosceles trapezoid, which we should know that. So circle, trapezoid. Okay, so we should know that L is the same measure as 23 degrees. We should also know that these two angles are supplementary and these two angles are supplementary. So angle K would be 180 minus 23, which is
157.
Yes, 157. People's faces were as blank as their papers on their desk. Now, anyways. All right. Could be really bad. I still could start calling out people by name and listen to the quietness and then send that link to the, your parents and stuff. Okay, so number 2. Savannah, what type is this? How do you know? You just know? Apparently she was locked into the matrix. Well, we know that it has these two, they're adjacent and congruent. It's kind of like our definitions. Okay, now, K and L should be the same. All right? And they're neither 130 or 90. But if we add these up, divide them all by 2, we should get it. Because remember, the inside adds up to 360. Okay, so 360 minus parenthesis 130 plus 90 divide by 2. 70 degrees. Okay. Wow, a lot of y'all are writing this down for the first time. All right, so all right. Any questions about number 1 and number 2? Okay, good. Cooper, you good?
Good.
All right. Number 3. Okay, part 2 says find the value for x and or y, because some of these have x, some of them have x and y, hence the directions. All right. So this is our mid segment, which is 3x minus 2 equals all this all over 2. Now, when we multiply to solve, all right, this is actually distributive property right here. So this would be 6x minus 4. And we're going to go ahead and combine like terms up here. So this would be 4x and 14. That x looks very y-ish. Very what? Y-ish, or I thought I heard something else.
Me too.
I would hate for people to try to be anti-Semitic here in class. All right, so do you even know what that word means? Okay, yeah. All right. So minus 4x. So this would be 2x, and then add 4 equals 18. All right, so x would be 9. Okay. Are we good with number 3?
Yes, sir.
Did you lose something in your backpack? That's the wrong quadrilateral you just had your hand on. All right, so. So. Set up for X. By the way, what quadrilateral is this? A kite. Because that's right. You just know. Just know. All right, so X would be 6. And then Y. Do 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 do. I missed. I was the offensive lineman. I can't catch. Okay. Now, if it was a foot or a shoe, I could catch all day because, I did cheer in college. Because co-ed cheerleading, best way to pick up chicks. Now. Remind me to tell you about one of the girls I cheered with in college. Okay, so. Huh? That's what I'm about to talk about later. Okay. So, number 5. All right. Yes, this is a trapezoid. What type of trapezoid is it? It is a parallelogram because these two are parallel. You just know. You just know.
Why is he picking on me? I don't like it when he picks on me and I can just play cards. That's what we do in the Grove.
Now, so these two are congruent. These two are congruent. Some of y'all are sitting there talking like Peter Griffin did when he was like taking a test and everybody else had a calculator. He whipped out a C and say, "The cow goes moo." He's like, "Oh yeah, you're right, you're right." Okay. All right, now how do we set up for Y? Very carefully. B and C. B and C are supplementary. Okay, and C is 62 degrees.
That would be 118 minus. That'd be 118. And this would be 180.
Yep, you could do it that way.
Something like that. Or you do that equals 118. Oh. Why not just do this? Why not do 5?
Yeah, you could actually set it up as 5y equals whatever.
118.
Yeah, 118.
That's so easy.
Oh my gosh. Hand had a small seizure.
Oh, you flish. Yes.
5y equals 120. All right, and then divide by 5. 24. because it's not as funny as 25. All right, so that's our practice work for today. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe with the bell. Test Friday, February the 6th. Dun, dun, dun. Good stuff. Good things. Roll Tide.